everyone, I am Chitrapriya and you are watching Chiro's house. Welcome to my channel. I recycled a pair of flip-flops. This is a very ordinary flip-flops. So interested, keep watching. Also, if you like my videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Share with your friends and don't forget to comment. Also hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of my updates. So let's get started. First, I have to erase all the printings from the sole. I am using rubbing alcohol here. And it will look like this. Now I am measuring ribbon and cutting it. And we wrap with this all over the stripes. I am using hot glue to secure the ends. I will stitch the bow with the stripe. Also, I will attach this little one with it. I will measure the other pair of the shoe so that both of it looks similar.